Bitcoin's looking toppy. Liquidity has been swept up here. We're going to go over Bitcoin, Ethereum, DXY. We're going to dive deep into Ethereum real quick because I think this chart is telling. I'm going to show you what I see from an Elliott Wave perspective. Guys, you're not going to want to miss this one because we are going to dump, and I'm going to show you why. My goal with all these videos, guys, is to kind of give you an insight into how the market really moves. I don't want to see you get screwed. I want you to learn a little bit from each and every single one of these videos, and I want you to become financially independent, help you out on your bills, build your nest egg up, whatever you got to do, because each and every one of you guys deserve that. Let's fucking get into this shit. Join the Discord. It's free in the description below. I'll see you guys in there. Real quick on Bitcoin, if you watch my previous videos, you know where I stand. Flat correction, nothing's changed. I'm looking at another flat correction. Nothing's changed. I want to see this top out here, and then I'll be looking at another correction to the upside for a major WXY. That's it. Done. So I'm expecting a fast and furious wave to the downside in the coming days, whether we got a little bit higher to go or what. We can come back to this chart. I will zoom in and give you the micro analysis on what's going on in the smaller time frames. But been there, done that on my past couple videos. I'm not doing it again, guys. Ethereum, what are we looking for? Now, I'm gonna real quick actually go to the Bitcoin Ethereum chart. So this is Ethereum traded in Bitcoin, and you can see that this low right here is in jeopardy of getting broken. Now, this could be a mega fake out here. It really could. And this could be an impulse. We can be coming down like this, and we could be impulsing up out of here. Something like that. Hitting this 1-to-1. So Ethereum and taking out all this liquidity right here, barely at the 1-to-1. Ethereum has potential to do that, and that could be some type of a flat, and then we come down. And what would that look like in terms of Ethereum? Well, in simple terms, you would see an ABC correction here, and you would want to see this just break out right here, something like that, take out this liquidity and come down. That is an option. Now, I'm prefacing with this scenario just so no one can say that, oh, he's so bearish, he's so bearish. Guys, Elliott Wave, there will always be different scenarios, always different options. I've just been doing this long enough. I kind of got a feel for how the market moves, and I expect what I expect. I can't change that. These are my opinions. So that is an option. I need you to know that. But how I am playing this, it's a big but, is a 1, and then I have a flat correction here, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I want to see a big ABC correction down like that. And then I want to crank out of here. That's how I am playing this. And now what would that look like in the Ethereum BTC chart? Let's clear everything. And we'll go back to Ethereum, and I'll kind of show you why I'm looking at that. Yeah, so I would say, you would expect a breakdown here, something like this, and then we can bust out of here. Just a breakdown right here, grab this liquidity down here. So that would imply that this bottom is getting broken right here. And maybe we do something like this, and then we come down. Alright. Now let's switch back over to Ethereum. What I need to see in Ethereum is I can't see this go really any higher than, it can't break that high. It really can't. That's my 1-2 wave, and it would break Elliott rules if it went higher than this. That's my invalidation for Ethereum. Super easy invalidation, guys. You know where you stand. you can either pull fibs like this and say, okay, we're kind of extended here, or you can also, I would say, you know, if this is your 1, boom, 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 2, you can also be like, okay, oops, get this out of here. You could say that this whole thing is a flat, like that, and you're in the corrective pocket right now, and that would be boom, boom. So here's your A, here's your B, and then C. So there's a couple different ways you can chop it, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves pretty much done right here, right now. I want to see kind of this trend line hold. I know it kind of broke a little bit, but guys, that's my ultimate. Like if we break this level here, I'm gonna say, okay, we got to reevaluate some things. But it's looking like Ethereum's kind of topping right now, maybe a little higher. Or it could even hit down to the lows like that and then come up one more, hit one more high, and then go. And that would just be an A, B, C. One more high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this would be your wave 4. This would be your wave 5. And then you'd be down. Done. So, you know, I expect some shenanigans. I expect some crazy stuff to happen with the market makers trying to liquidate positions before they dump it. But yeah, I mean, looking at Bitcoin as well, you could say A, B, C. And when you go to the Bitcoin chart, same time frame, A, B, C. And then we're up for one more. So I wouldn't be surprised if it has one more hit to the highs after a dump, but we'll see. If I look at DXY real quick, actually let's before we do that, we're gonna go in the Total Crypto Mkt Cap, because this chart just looks so clear to me. I don't know why. And on the daily real quick, yeah, I mean, I got an ABC all day. I got a flat all freaking day. And then I have ABC down, ABC up, another flat coming in. When you pull fibs on this, you're right in, let me see. Here, let's get rid of the drawings. I can't. Alright. Come on. Pulling fibs. Yeah, maybe a tad bit higher. Maybe alts are gonna kind of have a little run up here while Bitcoin goes sideways, Ethereum goes sideways. And then I would expect, let's just say it hits that corrective pocket. Coming down, busting this low. Like that. And then another up. That's just what I'm seeing. Looking at DXY. I have a flat in here. I want to see this finish in ABC. I want to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This big leg here up to finish out the flat is going to be when Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto markets, regular markets tank on this big leg up. So maybe we got a little bit lower to go to finish up an ABC here for wave 4, and then up to wave 5 to finish out this flat correction of this wave. I'll pull a fib on this wave. I'll see if that's a level for us. It's the 0.5, so we'll hit off the 0.5, and then when crypto markets find their bottom, they will start pumping to finish up the leg of our WXY, and DXY will go see ya. And then maybe you can get something like that, and you know, crypto markets will absolutely dump and get destroyed, but that's in the future. That's a story for another day. That's just what I'm seeing in the markets, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in Discord. I love you all. Bye.